This is the setup of the 52-inch ShowFlex tabletop. Just unzip the bag, take the display out of the bag, and just remove the Velcro strap. And you just open the unit up and fold the leg down facing the direction of the logo here. And you just pull these arms out, and they're spring loaded. So you open them, they'll lock in place. And the last arm here, as you push this down, will make the cord slide to the end and just pick up on the hub. Stand it up, and then the last thing you're doing is dropping the telescoping leg down to complete the setup. Okay. Then to take it down, you just lay it back on the table, collapse the telescoping leg, fold these arms, and these sliders here, the spring loaded, just pull them back. Then just take these and pull these to the inside. Push the arms down in here, close it just like an umbrella. And what I like to do is to take it and roll it, and that will get these corners, this nice little triangle. Then you can take the strap, roll it around with the strap, and you're done. That's the setup and the takedown.